Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all students and parents. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of iman. Firstly, we are going to start our English work. Day 7, book page number 10 to 15 revision. Workbook page number 28. Take out your English reading book. Page number 10. H, 8 sound, H, 8 sound, H. H, hammer, H, hat, H, hen, H, hockey, H, house, H, horse. Okay, look at the lower part. Link the relevant object. Look, students. Which object starts with H? Hammer. H, hammer. H, hammer. So take hammer. Look at the next part. Practice writing H. Join the dots and write capital H and small h. Okay, now turn your page. Page number 11. Encircle the correct sound. Look at the first picture. What is this? Engine. E-A engine. G-A engine. H-A engine. E-A engine. Circle the letter E. Look at the next picture. What is this? Gate. E-A gate. F gate. G-A gate. G-A gate is correct. Circle G. Look at the next picture. What is this? A horse. E-A horse. G-A horse. H-A horse. H-A horse. Circle the letter H. Look at the next picture. What is this? Fire. E-A fire. F fire. G-A fire. F fire. Circle the letter F. Look at the next picture. What is this? Hammer. F hammer. G hammer. H hammer. H hammer. Circle the letter H. Look at the next picture. What is this? A girl. F girl. G girl. H girl. G girl. Circle the letter G. Okay, page number 12. I. What is the sound of I? I-E, igloo. I-E, ink pot. I-E, insect. I-E, iron. I-E, ice cream. I-E, iPad. Okay, students, now turn your page. Page number 13. J. J-cha, jelly. J-cha, joker. J-cha, juice. J-cha, jackal. J-cha, jug. J-cha, jeep. Okay, look at the lower part. Link the relevant object. First one is jug. J-cha, jug. Okay, this one is right. What is this? A wheel? No. Water? No. J-cha, jeep. So tick jug and jeep. Now turn your page. Page number 14. K. Cake ka keys. Cake ka kettle. Cake ka kiwi. Cake ka king. Cake ka kite. Cake ka kangaroo. Okay, look at the lower part. What kind of clothes does a king wear? A or B? B is correct answer. So tick B. Okay, look at the next part. Practice writing K, capital K and small k. Join the dots and trace K. Okay, now turn your page. Page number 15. L. L. Lemon. L. Lamp. L. Lamb. L. Lion. L. Lotus. L. Leaf. Look at the lower part. Lion is the king of. A is jungle. B is desert. A is correct answer. So tick A. Look at the next part. What is this? Practice writing L. Capital L and small l. Okay, students, join the dots and trace L. Now take out your English workbook. Page number 28.
Write the beginning sounds of the given pictures. Also write their capital forms. Look at the picture. Share some information about Pakistani flag with your friends. Dear student, do you know there are two colors in Pakistani flag? Green and white. Now look at the lower part. What is this? Flag. We will write F here, capital F and small f. F sound is F sound is F, flag. F, flag. Next picture is kite. Kite start with letter K. Kite. Capital K make a standing line first three lines, then slanting line, one more slanting line downward. Capital K and small k like this. Okay. K ka kite. Next, what is this? Dog. Dog start with letter D. We will write capital D like this, stay standing line and close it by half circle. Capital D and small d. D d dog. D d dog. And look at this. What is this? Owl. What is this? Owl. Owl start with letter O. O. Owl. Capital O like circle. Small o. We will write small o in these two middle lines, okay? And capital in first three lines. Now look at here. What is this? Nest. N. Nest. Nest start with letter N. We will write N, capital N, in first three lines like this, and small n in these two middle lines, okay? Straight standing line, slanting line upward, touch the line, curve, straight standing line and curve it. N, nest. Next picture is ball. Next picture is ball. Ball start with letter B. Ball. Straight standing line. Make a half circle, then make one more half circle. Capital B and small b. Straight standing line and make a half circle like this. Small b. Ball. Ball.
Now we are going to start our maths work, day 7, workbook page number 29. Take out your maths workbook, page number 29.
Crossing 5 out. Time for poem. Ladybird, how many spots? 10 spots and crossing 5 makes 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crossing 5 makes 5 spot. Again, ladybird, how many spots? 8 spots and crossing 5 makes 3 spots. Look at here. Crossing 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 3 spots. Now look at the lower part. What is this? Ladybird. What is this? Ladybird. What is the color of ladybird? Yellow. Okay, look at here. How many spots on ladybird? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 10 spots on ladybird. Minus means cross 5. We will cross 5 spots like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join the dot one by one. Okay, 5. Now look at here. How many spots are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write 5 here. Now look at here. What is the color of ladybird? Red. How many spots on ladybird? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join the dot one by one like this. 8. Minus means cross 5. We will cross 5 spots like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look at here. How many spots are left? 1, 2, 3. We will write 3 in this box, okay? Make a half circle, then make one more half circle like that. 3. Okay, follow this pattern and complete your work. Look at the lower part. What are the colors of the ladybird given above? Circle the correct option. Okay, yellow and red. Red. Circle the red and yellow.
Now we are going to start our Urdu work. Day 7, book page number 42, workbook page number 40. अपना उर्दू कायदा खोलें. Page number 42.
Open the reading book and open the page number 4 to 42. 4 to 42. दो हरफी अल्फाज. अलिफ मदा sound is a, noon sound is na. A na an. A na an. A ga ag. A ga ag. A ma am. A ma am. Next, alif madda sound is a, jim sound is ja. A ja aj. A ba ab. A ba ab. Next, a s as. A ba ab. A s as. Next, अल्फाज बनाइए. अलिफ मद्दा साउंड इज a, बे साउंड इज ba. अब अब. Firstly write alif. Next बे. बे के नीचे एक नुक्ता. अब अब. नेक्स्ट अलिफ मद्दा a, सीन साउंड इज स. a s as. A s as. Again read with me. A na an. A ga ag. A ma am. Aj aj. A ba ab. A ba ab. As as. A ba ab. As as.
Now take out your Urdu workbook, page number 40.
Open the page number 4040. 4040. Today work is आदि अशकाल लिखें. Look at this page carefully. सबसे पहले हमारे पास क्या है? बे पूरी अशकाल में लिखा है. उसके बाद हमारे पास क्या है? बे आदि अशकाल में है. अब हमारे पास 2 कॉलम्स हैं. इनमें हम क्या राइट करेंगे? आदि अशकाल में राइट करेंगे. फर्स्ट में हमारे पास कौन सा है? बे. बे को हमने यहाँ पे हमारे पास लिखा हुआ है आदि अशकाल में. अब यहाँ पे हम राइट करेंगे. लुक एट दिस. फर्स्टली स्ट्रेट लाइन, then little bit rounded like this. बे. like this. Next पे. पे के नीचे 3 नुक्ते like this. Then again write it here. पे. पे के नीचे 3 नुक्ते. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है ते like this. Now write it here. ते के ऊपर 2 नुक्ते. Again write it here. ते. ते के ऊपर 2 नुक्ते. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है? टे. टे. टे के ऊपर छोटी सी तोएं. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है टे. टे के ऊपर छोटी सी तोएं. नेक्स्ट से लाइक दिस. से के ऊपर 3 नुक्ते. नाउ राइट इट अगेन हेयर. से. से के ऊपर 3 नुक्ते। नेक्स्ट जीम, make a straight line, then make a slanting line, then again make a slanting line and little bit round it like this। जीम के नीचे 1 नुक्ता। Now write it again here। Next again write it J, straight line, slanting line, then again make a slanting line, then round it here। J के नीचे 3 नुक्ते like this। नेक्स्ट हे खाली, इसके ऊपर कोई नुक्ता ना नीचे ना ऊपर कोई नुक्ता नहीं होगा। नेक्स्ट हे के ऊपर 1 नुक्ता लाइक दिस। नीचे हमारे पास है आदि अशकाल के नुक्ते लगाएं। आदि अशकाल के नुक्ते लगाएं, हमारे पास क्या है पे के नीचे हम कितने नुक्ते होते हैं 3। यहाँ पर हम आदि अशकाल के नीचे नुक्ते लगाएंगे। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है जीम के नीचे कितने नुक्ते होते हैं 1। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है से के ऊपर हम कितने नुक्ते लगाएंगे 3। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है खे के ऊपर हम लगाएंगे 1 नुक्ता लाइक दिस। नाउ कंप्लीट दिस वन।
ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपका काम यहाँ ख़त्म हो जाता है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह हाफिज़।